Have you ever exfoliated your lips? Or do you use facial scrub on your lips? Well, always remember, facial scrubs are too harsh for the lips' thin skin. So use only the scrub that is suitable for lips. Since you shouldn't be exfoliating all that often, there's no need to shell out extra cash on an expensive product. Well, ladies and gents, today is the day to raid the kitchen for a simple DIY sugar lip scrub. In under 5 minutes, you can exfoliate dry skin and enjoy soft, kissable lips all day, even in cold winter weather. Followed by a good homemade lip balm. In this video, we will tell you how you can get beautiful pink lips with homemade scrubs and balms.
Hello guys, welcome back on the Foodie and Daisy. The problem of cracked lip is very common, especially in winter, and the worst when you can't use your favorite matte lipstick. But do not worry. Today I will tell you how can you make a lip scrub and lip balm at your place within 5 minutes.
Let's start with a scrub. Take 2 teaspoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon honey and 1 teaspoon coconut oil. The sugar acts as an exfoliating agent while the honey and coconut oil moisturize after the sugar scrub removes the dead skin. It is a very efficient therapy for sore or chapped lips. Now it's time for the lip balm. Take 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon honey and 4 to 5 drops of essential oil. Heat the coconut oil on the lowest setting. Don't let it bubble. If you're heating it in the microwave, 10 seconds are enough. It's heated enough when the coconut oil is melted. Mix all the ingredients well. You can store this lip balm at room temperature for several months. Once you start to make your own lip balm, you would want to make about a zillion different versions.